Make sure to press my muffins that I just bake, and with a skewer you're just gonna put them all together, and you're gonna see that we're gonna create a scenery with our cupcake. Perfect. So once you have your cupcake all together like this, you're gonna pipe your buttercream in each cupcake, a nice amount of buttercream. We want enough buttercream because at the end, and now we're just gonna make it really smooth at the top. Perfect. And once you have your buttercream, we're gonna start here our beach scenery. So we're just gonna do some wave. Perfect. And once you have your scenery here, you're gonna just take your cupcake and we're gonna reverse everything like that. Make sure to press to print the scenery. Perfect. And now you're just gonna cut the bottom of your cupcake. No worries about the skewers because we're gonna take them out after. Good. So let's remove all the little parts here. We can remove at this point all the skewers. And now I'm gonna put inside my cupcake ice cream. So we're gonna put one little ice cream ball inside each cupcake. Perfect. We're gonna add some crushed pecan on the top, so you can put everywhere a little bit more. And once you have your ice cream and pecan, you're just gonna smash the sandwich. And our last one right here. So now you have your ice cream sandwich cupcake.